Hello traders, welcome once again to the new video by Flash Trade 1. On the screen right now you can see our auto trading setup of one click indicator where trades will be placed only if the first confirmation it gets from our one click indicator and from the second confirmation from our currency strength meter. So after this two-layer confirmation from this currency strength indicator and one click indicator, the trades will be placed in our MT4 account. So what is the procedure if any client needs this setup to run in their MT4 account? Then we have introduced a rental plan for them. There are 4 rental plans. The first plan is of 2,500 where client needs to pay $2,500 to the company, and irrespective of the capital, when profit reaches up to 25k, the company will trade the account once after this 25k with this 2,500 plan will not trade further. Let's suppose that if you take account with $100 even and you join this 2,500 plan, then we will trade until the profit of 25k. Here you can keep your account balance of $1,000. You can keep your account balance of 5,000. You can keep your account balance of even 10k. But if you join 2,500 plan, then we will trade until the profit reaches up to 25k and this plan will be terminated once the profit reaches up to 25k. The second plan is of $5,000 where the service will be valid until the client gets the profit of 75k. The third plan is of 15k where the service will be valid once the profit reaches up to 350k, and the fourth plan is of $50k where the service will be terminated once after the profit reaches up to 2 million. Now if you join the plan 1 and 2, which is of $2,000 and $5,000, then we need one MT4 account compulsory. If you join the third plan of 15k, then 2 MT4 accounts are required. 2 different MT4 accounts are required, and if you join the plan of 50k, then compulsory 5 MT4 accounts are required. ROI with this auto trading setup is divided into 2. If you trade this setup with low risk, then 1 month return is 300%. If you run this setup with high risk, then 1 month return is 3000%. So based on your risk preference, the setup will be done, and according to that, based on that, the ROI will be achieved. To run this auto trading setup, the first requirement is you need to have MT4 account with balance, with capital in MT4 account. The second basic requirement is high internet connectivity 24/7, as well as your power supply and electricity must be continuous. If you're trading, if your MT4 account is attached with your laptop or palm top, then it's fine as there is charging, but this MT4 account should not be closed for even single seconds. So if this both requirements are met, then this auto trading setup can be run on your MT4 account. So if you have any query regarding this setup, if you have any query regarding this plan, then please ask your query, and have a happy trading, have a safe trading. Goodbye, take care.